With the Soberlink device, there's no real lead time. You either pass or you fail. I had no issues and I used it for nearly 2 years. When you have these situations, where you're going through a separation, a lot of trust is broken. Trust is obviously really important in a relationship. My lawyer in the separation actually recommended Soberlink and had said that it's got really good results and highly regarded. So I did my research before and we both agreed that that would be the best course of action. I've used other methods. Sometimes there'd be gray areas or question marks, and so this definitely helped to gain trust back in my ex-partner, so she could be comfortable with me when I'm with my children, and it allowed me to actually make the most of that time that I had with them. If I wanted to go see my child play soccer, go to a school program, those instantaneous things that I could blow in my car before I got in there and she would have the results without having to go into the bathroom. The convenience was just all there. It really held me accountable too. With our addictive attitudes and personalities, it's like, how can we cheat the system? There's ways around some of those, the urine tests and things like that. This one, there isn't, and you just know, like, hey, it's on me now. What's my decision gonna be? Thankfully, I chose the right decision. That was largely part of Soberlink because I just knew what the alternative would be if I didn't do something like that is recognized and regarded as being, top of the line. You can't put a price or anything on what you can do with your children. They grow fast.